Children, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Today, I, Jayati Chaudhary, I am going to discuss with you Social Studies of Class 4, Chapter 6, The Climate of India, second part. Before starting the chapter, let's discuss about what we have learned in the previous class. First, we have seen what is meant by weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Then we have seen what is meant by climate. Climate is the pattern of weather condition over a large area for many years. Then we have seen factors affecting climate. We are going to see over here there are going to be 5 factors. What are they? Temperature, physical features of the region, direction of wind and rainfall, nearness to the sea, and direction of the mountains. In the last class, we have already seen that we are going to have 3 main seasons in India. What are they? Summer, monsoon, and winter. Monsoon is also going to be called as rainy season. But beside these 3 main seasons, we are going to have 2 more. What are they? One are going to be known as spring, another one is going to be known as autumn. In the last class, we have already studied about winter season. So today, we will start our class from summer season. That is page number 47. Let's start. In India, the summer season usually begins from March and continues till June. May and June are the hottest months. By the end of May, the humidity in the air rises and the weather becomes hot and humid. During this season, the weather becomes very hot. At many places, the temperature rises above 45 degrees Celsius. Some of the hottest places during summer are Churu and Bikaner in Rajasthan, where the temperature often rises above 48 degrees Celsius. In the northern plains, hot dry winds called Loo blow during the afternoon. Occasionally, there are dust storms and thunderstorms. Most parts of India are hot, but it is cold in the mountainous region. Therefore, most of the people visit the hill station to escape the heat of the plains. Some of the popular hill stations are Nainital, Kausani, Simla, Manali, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Kodaikanal, Munnar, and Ooty. The southern part of India is surrounded by sea on 3 sides, so it is less hot than the northern plains. The coastal areas are quite pleasant because the cool sea breeze has a cooling effect on the land. Please come to page number 48. In the desert region, it is very hot during the daytime, but the nights are cool. Hot sandy winds blow during the day. People wear cotton clothes to feel cool and comfortable. To keep cool during summer, people have chilled fruit juices, ice creams, chilled milk, lassi, mango, panna, and other cold drinks. People eat juicy fruits like watermelons, lychees, mangoes, and plums. So what we see in the summer season? Summer season, mainly it is going to begins in the month of March and continues till June. May and June are going to be the hottest month. In Bikaner and Churu in Rajasthan, what we have seen, the temperature often rises above 45 degrees. So you can imagine it is going to be so hot. In the northern plains during the summer season, in the afternoon time, hot wind is going to blow during the afternoon time, and it is going to be called as Loo. So during the summer season, when you all are going to get your summer vacation, sometimes you are going to make a trip to the hill stations. Why you prefer to go to the hill station? Because at that time the hilly areas are going to be cool, comfortable. So just now I have read many famous hill stations of India, just like Nainital, Mussoorie, Manali, Darjeeling. These are all Ooty. These are all going to be very famous hill stations of India, and people like to visit these places. Then what we have seen, during the summer season, we all like to wear cotton clothes, light color cotton clothes, to keep our body cool as well as comfortable. And of course, we all like to drink lassi, mango, panna and other cold drinks. We doesn't like to drink hot coffee or tea. Okay. So now we are coming to monsoon season. The monsoon or rainy season generally starts in June and continues till September. During this time, moisture-laden winds from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal blow towards the mainland of India. These moisture-laden winds are called monsoon winds. Sometimes during this time, there are cyclones. Cyclones are strong winds which move in a circular motion. They cause rain and may even cause destruction. Please come to page number 49. All places do not receive the same amount of rainfall. All parts of the country do not receive rainfall at the same time. The average annual rainfall in our country is 120 centimeter. March number in Meghalaya gets the highest rainfall in the world. The annual rainfall is over 800 centimeter. Gujarat and Rajasthan receive scanty rainfall. Scanty rainfall means very less rainfall. Some places in Rajasthan get less than 10 centimeter of rain in a year. The coastal areas of Tamil Nadu remain dry during this period. Coastal area means the places which are going to be very close to the sea. It receives winter rainfall between November and January. Please note over here, the places just like Tamil Nadu, we are going to get rainfall in the monsoon time. Our monsoon time is going to be, which is going to start in June. But Tamil Nadu's monsoon season is going to start when we are going to have winter. Monsoon is a very important season in India. Actually, if you see, all the seasons are going to be important, but monsoon is going to be very important. Why? Agriculture depends largely on monsoon. The rains help in irrigation. The monsoon is helpful to farmers only if it arrives on time. Early or delayed monsoon causes great harm to the crops. Some places receive very heavy rainfall and there are floods. Some places do not get enough rainfall for a long time and there is a drought. So when we are going to have too much of rainfall, at that time we are going to have flood, and when we do not have rainfall, when the soil is going to break up, at that time it is going to be called as drought. So what we see, monsoon, as I told you of before, it is going to be very important for our country because the farmers are very much waiting for this rainfall so that they are going to have good agriculture. All the places in India are not going to get same rainfall. Some places are going to have heavy rainfall just like Meghalaya. Some places like Gujarat and Rajasthan, they do not receive not much, they are going to receive very scanty rainfall. So now we are coming to spring and autumn. In India, we have a cycle of seasons which is as follows: summer, monsoon, autumn and winter. Spring is a short season that comes after winter, just before the beginning of summer. At this time, it is neither too hot nor too cold. It is a cool and pleasant season. Many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. Autumn is also a short season that comes after the rainy season and just before the beginning of winter. It is a cool and pleasant season. Many trees shed their leaves at this time. Now you know the difference between weather and climate and the factors which affect climate. You also know about the climate in different parts of India during different seasons. Now let's discuss about spring and autumn. As I told you beforehand, the main three seasons in India are going to be summer, monsoon and winter. But these two seasons, spring and autumn, they are going to be in India for a short period of time. But the main thing what we come to see over here, both these two seasons are going to be cool and pleasant for us. In springtime, many trees and plants bear new leaves and flowers. Whereas in the autumn what we see, many trees shed their leaves at this time. This is going to be the main difference between spring and autumn season. Students, I think you can understand the chapter now. So now let's come to some question answer. First we are coming to question number 1. Describe the summer season in the northern plains. Answer: during the summer season, the weather becomes very hot in the northern plains and hot, dry winds called Lu blow during the afternoon. Occasionally, there are dust storms and thunderstorms. Question number 2. Why do people go to the hill stations in summer season? Answer: most parts of India are hot in the summer season, but it is cold in the mountainous region. Therefore, most of the people visit the hill station to escape the heat of the plains. Next come to question number 3. Which parts of India get heavy rainfall from the monsoon winds? Answer: the west coast and the northeast states of India receive maximum rain. Part of northern plains and southern plateau also receive heavy rainfall from the monsoon winds. Now come to name the following. The hot dry winds of the northern plains, answer will be Lu. Number 2, moisture laden winds which bring rain, answer monsoon winds. Number 3, a long dry spell without rain causes, answer drought. The amount of water vapor in the air, answer will be humidity. And the last one, 2 hottest places in India, answer is going to be Churu and Bikaner. So students, hope you all understand the chapter. So now Please read the chapter thoroughly and do the assignment in your social study interleaf copy. Thank you.